button to get it started. So Peyton Wagner, front and center, please. How about a nice round of applause for Peyton? And the spotlight is on her.
Peyton, are you scared? No. You're not scared? All right, we'll get the crowd here to do a countdown, so, you know, don't prematurely fire off the cracker line there, because these folks are ready. They've waited for a year.
I think so. They said they're ready, Matt. They already told me that.
And I have done all the checks. They seem to be good to go. So
we are good to go.
Let's start it at 5. Does that sound good? Or do you
5
want to start
sounds
at 6?
Perfect. Peyton, are you ready?
We've never started at 6. Maybe we should start at 6.
6 would be interesting.
All right, let's do 6. Ma'am, if you give me one more comment about pushing that button, I'm going to come up there and dump my coat.
We are ready to go, and Peyton says you're wasting time.
We're starting at 6. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1.
Hit it.
About that, Peyton.
Well, Peyton, I hope neither one of your parents ever pulls your finger. That's one powerful finger.
Hey, Keith, go up there beside Peyton for just a second.
Certainly.
I need to have a conversation with Peyton.
Okay.
All right, have you got it right there?
I got her.
Peyton, tell us about that experience. Was it amazing? Yeah. Oh, you got to talk into the microphone, honey. Okay. It was amazing?
Yep.
All right, now, you knew about the part that you just did because you won the right to light the firecrackers, but there's something that we didn't tell you.
What?
You have to clean it up.
No.
Did you know that part?
No, and my dad didn't tell me, so no.
So what you're telling me is for the rest of your life, through adolescence, 16, all the way up to the time that you get married, you will always listen to every word your father said, because all these people have heard you say, my daddy didn't tell me to, so that's why I didn't. Spoken like a true 10-year-old young lady. Give her a big hand, everybody. That's Peyton Wagner.
Thank you, Peyton. Good job.
Oh, boy. Well, Keith, I do believe our next item on the agenda tonight is going to be to head out to the big guns, the big high aerial stuff, where we have got 3 of our member-purchased 12-inch shells ready to go.
That's correct. And not only that, we've got another 16 tonight and a 10 that were member-built.
Yeah.
We're just going to see if everybody